Hey guys, so one of the fastest ways to increase your sales on Amazon is by allocating your Amazon PPC spend to the placements that convert the best for your brand. So for you to do it, I just created this Claude skill that just does everything for you. So essentially you just upload the Claude skill, add your bulk file to the skill, and then just run it. When you run it, it will give you 3 files. So it will give you the file that gives you an audit of your current audit placements. And then the second file will be a bulk file ready to just upload to Amazon with all the changes that are going to optimize your placements to spend where it converts the best. And the third file that will give you a reversal of whatever you want to revert in case you just want to revert the changes you just made. So let me show you how it works on your computer. All right, so this is simply what you do. You just say run and then just put the skill in there, so / and then the skill will just give you these 3 files as an output. Okay, so you see the recommended changes, the first one, the revert backup bulk file in case you want to revert changes, like I said, and then the audit. So just give you here in this audit overview of what was done, the logic behind, so that you understand what it actually means. So it's actually for this brand, you can see they currently the placement that converts the best for them is actually the top of search, but most of their spend is actually going to the product pages. So you see 43% of their ad spend is going towards ad placement, and actually it's the one that converts the least. So it needs to be so we need to change the placements percentages in order to funnel their Amazon PPC spend to the right placement. Okay, so you can see here just an overview of all the things inside, and then a logic of that was made behind all those changes. And you see then overview of the campaigns from the highest spend to the lowest, showing essentially the changes that were done. So there is a caveat where the formula, the way the formula runs, sometimes it goes to up to 150% increase in some placements. So we just added like a human review in case you don't want to make those changes. So that's why you see in this section is just a summary of everything. So it's just the changes that were that you need to review, and then the increases that were done, and then whatever was hold the same. Okay, so the bulk file we just need to upload to Amazon. This is just a review just for you to have an understanding of everything. Here is just what is ready for you to upload. So whatever, if you don't want to use the ones that that wants to increase 150%, you can just go here and just delete those in a certain way, and you just go with the ones that have lower pushes. Okay, so that's pretty much. So you just that's it. You just upload this to Amazon in the bulk operations section, and you just ready to go. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel so that you get notified when I post new videos like this. And if you want to get access to the tool, there is a link below. Go click there, and I'll see you on the next one.